Imagine losing a loved one because a message arrived too late. This heartbreaking moment sparked an invention that changed the world forever: Morse code. Samuel Morse was a successful painter in the 1830s. While working on a portrait far from home, tragedy struck. His wife suddenly fell ill and died. Heartbroken, Morse didn't receive the news in time to say goodbye. This devastating event changed his life forever. Determined to create faster communication, he turned to science. Collaborating with inventors, Morse developed a system of electric signals, short and long pulses, to represent letters. By 1844, his invention sent the first message, "What hath God wrought?" over 40 miles in minutes. Morse code revolutionized communication, connecting people across the globe. And it all began with one man's loss.